Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that all of you are fine, staying well and safe. Welcome to SIK Short Lectures and welcome once again. Yes, once again after a while, but I hope that you like the new environment in here. So today we are going to talk about circular economy. Economy, something, an inevitable part of our life or human civilization. It is an area which deals with the production, distribution, and trade of any product. You talk about this jar, you talk about my watch, this computer, this pen, everything, its production, its distribution, the trading, all of these are handled by the economy. And we need it. So what has happened actually that the human civilization has progressed a lot. And it has progressed because of its robust economy. But because of excessive and improper economic activities, there has been huge impact on the environment. And this has had two sides. The first one is that because of the economic activities, there have been impact on the environment, that is the point. And because of that, there even have been impact on the economy as well. Because if you think that because of agricultural production and industrial activities, we have had climate change. And because of climate change, currently, the Europe, they're having droughts and their agricultural production has been lessened. So this is an example that how robust or abrupt economic activities with a proper care for the environment can really bring disturbance to our life. And therefore, a new concept has been emerged, and that is known as circular economy. Circular, like a circle. So this economy is based on zero waste. No solid waste, no liquid waste, no gaseous waste, no toxic waste, zero, 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 zero. But a point to be noted that zero doesn't mean that there will be no waste produced. Our economic activities will be designed in that way so that whenever any waste is produced, we will somehow reuse or recycle or manage it in some other ways, like a cycle, like a circle, and that is why this is known as circular. So what's the example? Let me give you a generalized example. Think about a leather factory. This factory produces leather jackets, bags, etc. So you need raw materials, you need heat, you need water, you need etc. So after the initial production, the liquid effluents that is being produced, you can let it go to an ultrafiltration plant. And after this filtration, we will get the clean water, and this clean water can be used again for the factory production. And the solid residues that we are having after ultrafiltration, we will send it to some kind of energy recovery facilities like thermal or biological, mainly thermal. And by that, we will be able to produce bio oil, ash, etc. And this energy, we can use it for our factory. So you see that whenever any waste is being produced, we are somehow managing and reusing it for our factory purpose. So whatever the wastes being produced by the factory are staying within the factory. So that is why we say zero waste. And we know that waste ceases to be waste whenever there is no impact on the environment. So this is a generalized example regarding a leather plant, but you can practice the same for a restaurant, you can do the same for a hotel, for a hospital, and for many other facilities. So this circular economy, this is a great solution to the current crisis of the climate change. If you think of the European Union, they have been practicing this since long. In 2015, they declared a complete package, financial package for EU's transition towards circular economy. And in 2019, they provided a complete action plan. But how would they do it? So I think that all other countries should promote this circular economy, their industries, their factories, their residential facilities, or other commercial aspects, and even we ourselves should always practice this kind of economic activities, that whenever there will be any waste produced, we will somehow manage it. We won't let it go outside. This might not be possible like 100%, but if it is 80 or 90%, then it's good, right? So that's all for today, and practice this circular economy. I will see you in some next lecture. Thank you. Bye-bye.